Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool. So where you can generate undetectable AI content. So AI detection is the many of the problem faced by our fellow researchers now. So in order to generate an undetected AI content, that is human-like content, so you can use this tool to generate a better content for your research paper writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. So in this workshop, we are going to design LNC parameters of buck and boost converter, and then we are going to make open loop, closed loop simulation with proper PID controller tuning in this converters, and then we are going to connect it with PV and wind energy as its input sources, that is renewable energy as its input sources, and then we are going to incorporate it with electric vehicle charging station. The main objective of this workshop is to design the parameters of the converters and how to make the converters work efficiently in all the environments, especially while power conversion process. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to discuss different types of research prompts in ChatGPT, how to bring out better content out of ChatGPT for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. Our main motto is to make your research paper writing simple using different AI tools. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that essay flow. So here you can see create human-like essays with our undetectable AI essay writer. Generate plagiarism free undetectable essays that bypass AI detection. So let us explore with some topics. So here I am going to describe your topic. So here I am going to describe a topic that usage. I am going to give a general topic, usage of renewable energy in power sector. So like that I am going to give an input. So after that you can select how that essay, that is content, will be basic, descriptive, narrative or comparative, persuasive, like that different options are available. So you can click basic. So here I am going to give a default 300 to 500 words. So after that you can select the language. So these are the different languages available. So here you can see that. So different languages available. So I am going to select it as English. So click on undetectable mode. So after that click on generate titles. So here you can see that our title is generated. So these are the possible titles can be given to our topic. So here you can see that advantages of renewable energy in power generation, role of renewable energy in power sector, harnessing that is renewable energy in sustainable power, integration of renewable energy in power system. So here you can see promoting renewable energy for efficient power generation. So I can select this topic. So if you want another topic, so you can enter your title here also. So after that click on generate outline. So here you can see that essay flow is generating outline. Our outline is generated. So here you can see that. So importance of renewable energy for sustainable development, reduce the greenhouse gas emissions, energy security and independence, economic benefits, barriers to the adoption of renewable energy, high initial investment cost, intermittency and variety of renewable sources, technological and infrastructural limitations, strategies for promoting renewable energy generation. So here you can see that government incentives and policies, research and development for improved technology, public awareness and education initiatives, advantages of renewable energy generation, renewable for power generation, environmental benefits, diversification of energy resources, mitigating the impact of climate change, etc. So these are the different outlines generated from this particular topic. So here you can see this is outline 1 and outline 2. Two different outlines are generated here. So I am going to choose outline 1. So after that, what you can do is click on generate essay. So let us see how it will works out and generate essay for us. So according to the outline, it will generate essay. So here you can see checking results. So GPT-0, copy leaks, 0 GPT, crash plug, sapling, writer, content at scale. So here close the content. Yes, our content is generated. So here this is the content we have asked for. We have asked around 300 to 500 words. So accordingly only the content will be generated. Promoting renewable energy for efficient power generation. Here you can see that renewable energy has become pivotal component for the power generation sector due to concerns about climate change and increasing energy cost. So this is the introduction of this. So if you need more, you have to go for subscription option. So this is how you can generate a better human-like content using this essay flow. So these are the steps have to be followed. So first you have to enter your idea and enter the specification, what is the type of content you want. So after that, what you can do is you can generate an outline, generate a topic that is title. So there are several options will be given. So you can select any of the title according to the domain you are choosing. So after that, you can generate outline using outline generator. So after that, you can generate the content. So this is the step by step procedure to be followed in this essay flow to generate a better content for your research paper writing or any common content. You can generate blog content also. So make use of this option in this essay flow and make your research paper writing simple and plagiarism, that is AI detection free. So these are the important options in this particular essay flow AI tool. So go on and explore this AI tool, so you can get a better idea about this AI tool and you can generate undetectable AI essays or AI content for your research paper very easily. So this is all about this essay flow. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.